how to fix Facebook not letting you comment. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are frustrated because Facebook isn't letting you comment, you're not alone. Today we'll walk you through some effective solutions to get you back in the conversation. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's check if your Facebook app is updated or not. Go to your App Store or your Play Store and check for it. An outdated version can cause all sorts of issues, including problems with comments. So what you have to do is just tap on the update, and then sometimes only an update can fix a lot of issues. Now, another problem that you might be facing is because of your account restrictions. Sometimes your account may be restricted due to violations of Facebook terms of service. So, to check this, you have to go to your profile icon by going to the menu, tapping on your profile, and then tap on the three dots beside edit profile option. There you'll see profile status. Tap on it. So, if you have a green tick, it means you're good to go, but a red cross indicates restrictions. If you find any restrictions, you'll need to address those before you can comment again. Once you've resolved any issues, go back and try commenting on post, and that's it. You should now be able to comment on any Facebook post without issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.